hip hop, around the clock, hip hop, around the clock. Now the time is 8 o'clock.
Hip hop, it's 8 o'clock.
Hip hop, around the clock, hip hop, around the clock. Now the time is 5 o'clock.
Hip hop, it's 5 o'clock.
Hip hop, around the clock, hip hop, around the clock. Now the time is 2 o'clock.
Hip hop, it's 2 o'clock.
Hip hop, around the clock, hip hop, around the clock. Now the time is 11 o'clock.
Today we're going to learn about analog clock. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, and this clock, they have 12 numbers, and we're going to have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. In the clock, we have 12 numbers, and we have a small hand or little hand. This hand, the hand tells us the hour. We talk about hours. So right here, if the point the number 12, that means that it's 12 o'clock. If the hand move to the number 3, that means 3 o'clock. If the small hand move to the number 7, that means 7 o'clock. But what happens if this small hand stay in the middle of the 9 and 10? What time is it over there? Is 9 or is 10? That's why we have another side of the clock. Okay, so where is the time, or what time is it if this little hand point in the middle, in the center of 9 and 10? So that's why around the clock we have minutes. Between each number we have 5 minutes. Let's see. Number 1, between 12 and 1 we have 5 minutes. Between 1 and 2 we have 10 minutes. Between 2 and 3 we have 15 minutes. We have between 3 and 4 we have 20 minutes. Between 4 and 5 we have 25 minutes. Between 5 and 6 we have 30 minutes. Between 6 and 7 we have 35. Between 7 and 8 we have 40 minutes. Between 8 and 9 we have 45 minutes. Between 9 and 10 we have 50 minutes. Between 10 and 11 we have 55 minutes, and between 11 and 12 we have 60 minutes. How are we going to know, how we're going to find out how many minutes we have? We have a big hand. This big hand is going to tell us the minutes that we have in each clock. Let's see, right here our time is 9:55. Okay, if we change, if the clock move and the small hand point number 2 and the big hand point number 5, time is it? Is over here 2:25. If let's see one more time. Let's looking for 7:50. 7:50. The big hand tell us the minutes. The small hand tell us the hour. Okay, we already know about the analog clock. Now we're gonna learn about digital clock. In this clock we have 1, the small hand points the hour 1, and the big one number 12, so it's 1 o'clock. So our digital clock is gonna be 1 o'clock. Okay, let's see if the small letter, the small hand point number 2, and the big hand point number 3. So what time is it? It's 2:15. So in our digital clock, it's gonna be 2:15. Let's try if the little hand turn to number 6 and the big hand points the number 12. So it's 6 o'clock. So in our digital number, in our digital clock is 6 o'clock. Let's find out what happens if the small hand point number 3 and the big hand point number 9. Remember, the small hand is the hour, so it's 3. The big hand is the minutes, 3:45. So depends of our clock, of this clock, we have our digital clock. This is an example of our digital clock. So right here we have 11 o'clock, 4:05, 7:30, 3:45. This is our time. This is our kind of clock. I'm gonna show you a pictures the real clocks.